Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're beginning secure boot setup now. First, verify you're on a UEFI-based motherboard and Windows 11. Once confirmed, sign in as an administrator so you can change firmware settings. Make a recovery USB and backup critical files before altering boot security. You'll need your Microsoft account or local admin password ready to re-enable features if requested. This avoids being locked out. Now reboot into UEFI/BIOS using Windows settings or the manufacturer key and proceed to the security options. Once in UEFI, navigate to the Security or Boot menu and locate Secure Boot. If your system shows Legacy or CSM enabled, change it to UEFI first. Make sure to save that change and reboot back into UEFI if required. Then set Secure Boot to Enabled, and if offered, choose Windows UEFI Secure Boot keys or standard factory keys to ensure compatibility. After enabling, save and exit. Windows will validate the boot chain on startup. Make sure drivers and firmware are current so signed boot components are accepted. Now boot into Windows and open system information to confirm Secure Boot state is enabled. If Windows reports unsupported or off, update your UEFI firmware and device drivers, then repeat enabling. Make sure BitLocker keys and recovery options are accessible because hardware security changes can prompt recovery on first boot. If the PC fails to boot after enabling, immediately return to UEFI and disable Secure Boot to recover. Then troubleshoot drivers or reinstall correct UEFI drivers. This single recovery step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.